Good morning, Kinderfor. Yes, one more week. So, one more week, the first day of our English class is Monday. Yes. So, what month is this? No September anymore. Say bye-bye, September. Hello, October. Yes, a special month. Do you know why? Because of Children's Day, Teacher's Day, and Halloween's Day. Yes. Now, and what about the day? Do you know? Let's see. Look at this picture. What do you see here, guys? Yes, I see fish. How many fishes do you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, 5 fishes. I see 5 fishes. So, today is 5. Yes, good job. Thank you for help. Now let's see. Monday, October 5, 2020. Good job. Now guys, look at the calendar. Can you help me please? Come on. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Remember, today is Monday, yes? Now, Monday, what about the months of the year? Bye-bye, September. Hello, October. Yes. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. How many months are listed to finish this year, 2020? How many? 1, 2. 2 months to finish. Yes. Say January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September on this way. October and November and December and the end. And then it start all over again. And remember the seasons? Spring, summer, fall, and winter. No more winter. We are in the springtime. Yes, springtime. You can see flowers, you can see the nature around us, okay? And what about the weather? Look at the window and tell me, how is the weather today, okay? Don't forget to post here in our comments. How is the weather today, okay, guys? So it's sunny. Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it windy? Is it stormy? Tell me, okay? Now, guys, pay attention. We live in Santos, yes? A beautiful city. So, some people and animals live on farms. Do you know farms? Look at this picture. Yes, on farms. Can you name some farm animals? Do you know what animals live on the farm? Look my envelope. Yes, I have a surprise here. Now, what are you going to do? Miss, open it and show us. Repeat. Open it and show us. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Pum, pa-da-dum, pum. What do you see, guys? Quack, quack. It's a duck. You can see ducks on the farm, yes? Repeat. Duck. Good job. Now, what are you going to say? Open it and show us. Come on. Open it and show us. 1, 2, 3. Wow. What animal do you see? I see a lamb. Can you see? Yes. What color is the lamb? It's white. It's a white lamb. Good job. Now, open it and show us, Miss. 1, 2, 3. What animal do you see? Yes, I see a cow. What color is this cow? White and black. It's a white and black cow. Open it and show us, Miss. What do you see, guys? Wow. I see a horse. Yes, I see a horse. And what color is the horse? It's a brown and black horse. Very good, boys. Now there is a challenge for you. Listen and guess what animal makes this sound. Listen, 1, 2, 3. Listen. Open your ears. Number 1 is a the second one. Listen. Now the third animal is and the fourth animal is so now what are you going to do? You are going to make a video and post here in our comments. What animals do you hear? Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. There are 4 different sounds. Okay? Keep scrolling. There are many activities waiting for you. So, see you next!